Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to enable community replies notifications on Roblox Web using your PC, following the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop whenever someone replies to your posts or comments in the Roblox community forum, this guide is for you. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your settings. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is where you'll find all your account options. Click on the gear icon to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the left side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Find and click on Notifications. This is where you manage all your Roblox notification preferences. Inside the Notifications section, scroll down until you see the option for Mobile Push Notifications. Don't worry if you're on a PC, this section also controls some of the more advanced notification types, including Community Forum Replies. Now, look for the option labeled Community Forum Replies. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click the switch to enable notifications for replies in the community forum. When this is turned on, you'll receive alerts whenever someone responds to your posts or comments, helping you stay engaged and never miss an important reply. That's it. You've successfully enabled community replies notifications on Roblox Web. This quick setup ensures you're always connected with the Roblox community and up to date with every conversation that matters to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check your other notification preferences to customize your Roblox experience even further. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected on Roblox.